Hello, everyone. This is Matt Lutz. I'm a senior attorney and owner of Atticus Family Law. We are a family law firm that handles divorce and custody matters in the Twin Cities, Minnesota, western Wisconsin, and northeastern Minnesota. As a family law firm, our clients come to us with a collection of problems. They've got internal problems of anger, frustration, stress, uncertainty, all sorts of issues that manifest out of their external issues, which is a marriage that's run its course, uncertainty in custody, a lack of access to in parenting time, too much child support, not enough child support, all sorts of issues along those lines. Our job is to recognize that they've got a mountain ahead of them and they need to get on the other side of that mountain. Fortunately, we want to help them. We want to make sure that they get through it safely, unharmed, and we've got a lot of experience with this mountain. So we know the best routes up the mountain, where the pitfalls are. With our job is to get you on the other side of the mountain as fast as possible, safely, with a bright future ahead, and ideally without future legal mountains in the years to come. And so it's with that perspective that we extend our services with various plans as to how we go about that to our clients. Today I want to talk about the recent $2.2 trillion stimulus bill passed by Congress, signed by the president, that's going to convey a financial stimulus upon everybody, well, almost everybody. It's $1,200 a person, and it's if you make less than $75,000 a year, and then it starts going down a little bit until $99,000 a year. At which point, if you make more than that, you're not qualified. You're not eligible. Additionally, there's a $500 a month per child credit as well. So the checks coming into a household could very well be at least $1,200 for one parent, plus $500 for each child. If two parents are still together, it's $24 plus $500 per child if they're under those income thresholds. There's one caveat though. They have to have the current address to send it to. Now, the IRS, because most people have not filed their tax year 2019 returns here, as we're nearly in April of 2020. Some people have, great, but some people have not, which means they're going on the 2018 returns. And probably somewhere in the order of 15 to 25%. So maybe out of every four people you know has relocated in that period of time. They've moved from an apartment to an apartment, they moved from an apartment into a condo, they sold a condo, they bought a house, maybe they moved from a house to a condo, there's all sorts of circumstances. But if the address on your 2018 tax return is not accurate, you need to update it. Otherwise, your check's going to be delayed, and that's no good. Not in this, what's going on right now with the pandemic, the economy, people losing jobs, all sorts of issues. So, what in the show notes, or not the show notes, but that's what they say on the whatever. In these video notes, there is the IRS link, and you follow that. You print off that form, and then there might even be an online option to allow you to update your address. So whether it's you that's moved recently, or if it's not you, it's one of three other people you know, in which point they're going to want to make sure that they have a current address on record with the IRS. So that's my message for you today, in that if you're in those income brackets under that $99,000 per year per person, you want to make sure that that address is accurate. Again, my name is Matt Lute. I'm senior attorney with Atticus Family Law. This is just one of the little ways in which we're trying to make sure it's easier for our clients, and in this case, a lot of former clients who will get this message, to be mindful of what sort of legalities are out there, so that they don't miss out on opportunities like getting those checks as soon as they're distributed. And certainly, hopefully, others in the community that our clients share this with also benefit, so that no one has to wait for that, because in this time of pandemic, no one should. Again, thanks for your time.